Okay, welcome back. This right here is my new baby, and I am so excited that I just decided just to buckle down and get one. This is called a compost bin tumbler. And some compost bins, they're stationary, and basically a compost is you take organic material and you continue to pile it with other organic, like you could take food. You don't want to put meat in it, but you could take like vegetables, a scrap, fruits. You can take coffee grinds, you can take eggshells, things like that, but no meat, no fats, no liquids, no oils, none of that. Okay, so basically a compost is that all of that organic material will break down and it will compost or become into more of like a soil or dirt substance. You can do grass, you can do leaves, you can do grass clippings, you can do all of that. Anything organic, you can go ahead and do that. And so I decided, I've been looking at getting one of these forever, but I finally found one on Amazon. And this is a two-chamber compost bin. So I have one side here that I can put something on that is separate from this side right here. They do have other compost bins where they're, either that you can do them all, which is one chamber, or they do have some two chambers. But I like this Miracle Grow brand because the doors are wider. One of the things I wasn't really for sure that was going to work for me was that some of the door chambers that you open up were kind of like skinny and a little smaller. And it's fine maybe putting everything in, but getting things out of it, I was thinking, I'm not sure. That might be a little difficult. You got a little spot and you got all this stuff inside. So I just went ahead and bought this. Now this is, I want to say it's 27.5 gallons per chamber. So I have a total of 55 gallons, something like that. I'm trying to like hurry up and do math in my head, but 27.5 and 27.5, So I want to say it's probably 55 gallons. So it is aerated. When you have a compost bin, you want to make sure that there are holes that where it will aerate. You don't want to have a compost bin without holes. So whether you're doing it yourself, you can do like a barrel, like maybe a 55-gallon drum or something like that. But whatever you use, please make sure you drill holes because it does need oxygen to break down. Another thing I do like about this is they slide. So this chamber, and this is one of my projects here. I just got done cleaning the pigeon coop, excuse me. So I did just get done cleaning the pigeon coop, and I pretty much basically dumped all of their manure in here. And you'll notice it's manure, there's some feathers, there's some straw. I just dumped everything inside. And this is going to be my fertilizer for my garden this year. And I'm really excited to see how that's going to work because I do know that pigeon manure is high in nitrogen. So it's going to be good for my plants. You don't want to put it directly on your plants because I don't want it to burn. I don't think it's as acidic and as high in nitrogen as chicken manure, but I have to do a little more research on that, so don't quote me. That is not a definitive answer. Okay, so anyway, my whole point is that every time I clean out the pen or the coop, I'm going to put it in here. And the cool thing is you close it. It's easy to open. You put everything in, you close it up, and then probably every, probably maybe 2 or 3 times a week, you want to just stir it up. You want to just basically take it and just kind of, flip it around a couple of times, let everything mix together and work itself over and so forth like that. Okay, now on this side, my green side, the way I could try to remember is green for plants and yellow for urine, or not urine but poop, you know. All right, so this side is the same thing. I don't have anything in here yet, but I don't know, you probably can't see, it has this bar on the inside that connects the two, that also helps with the stirring. I'll be putting my old organic plants in here. I do have some plants that I'm ready to take out of my tower garden and put them in there. If you all don't know what a tower garden is, check a couple of my videos out. It's basically a standalone tower garden that is an aeroponic system. It doesn't use any dirt. There's no pests. You know, you could grow it inside. It takes 3 feet of space, uses way less water, and grows 3 times as fast. So just check that out if you're interested. But I'm going to be putting all of my plants, my food scraps and stuff like that in this one. So I am, like I said, I'm really, really excited about this. I will be kind of keeping you all updated. You know, like I'll probably write down the date of when I put this manure in here, and then just kind of keep track of how long it takes to actually break down to what I need. And like I said, just you want to spin it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and just continue to do it. You'll know when it's ready when you see everything has pretty much broken down into the consistency that you're wanting. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get with you as quickly as I can.